I was out metal detecting in remote woods in South Mississippi where a small community once existed when I dug this very heavy brass stamping plate. I didn't know what it was used for, but could tell the letters were backwards, so I knew it had to be used for some type of printing or stamping. I got it home and began cleaning it when I saw the words Coca-Cola, and I started to get excited. Time for a little history. In 1880, brothers Ferdinand and William Kiekhaefer, sons of German immigrants, formed F. Kiekhaefer and Brothers, a hardware and furnishing store, which later bought out Milwaukee Stamping Works. By the early 1920s, the Kiekhaefer brothers opened their first shipping container plant in Camden, New Jersey, where they packaged Campbell's soup. Over the next couple of decades, what was now known as the Kiekhaefer Container Company made great strides in the industry, improving their products, developing machinery, and expanding their operation. So much so, by 1927, they were producing over a quarter of the nation's solid fiber container. When the United States entered World War II, the brothers were eager to do their part and shifted focus to shipping war supplies to the soldiers overseas. By the end of the war, the company had plants all over the country, including a packaging factor in New Orleans. One of the company's largest customers for the New Orleans site was Coca-Cola. I was able to find this example with a very similar stamp packaged in New Orleans. While I probably won't ever know how this stamping plate came to be buried about 50 miles from the site of the factory in New Orleans, my guess is that one of the workers lived in the area, and when the factory closed, a souvenir was brought home and eventually lost to history, only to be found by me out swinging my metal detector. Whatever the story, what an awesome piece of American manufacturing history.